Welcome to my channel MPS Awan. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Sat Sri Akal. Namaste. How are you everyone? Today I am in Sri Lanka, Colombo. Kandy. City name is Kandy. Kandy is very beautiful city. And you can see in my background, this is that's a garden. This is a medicine garden. Mostly these trees used in our medicine. So that's why there's a medicine garden. You can see map, lake area, bamboo collection, palm collection, garden, rock garden. You can say cough pineapple, orchard house. Now I'm gonna show you the whole garden, a park. Sorry. They made it artificial lake. On the moment water is very down.
Water places are better.
You can see mostly foreigner visitor. They come in here, Sri Lanka, Kandy, for nice place for visitor. And we are sitting. This is a medicine garden, because so many tree have they using in a medicine. Now you can see in the front side, the mostly tree using in a medicine. So that's why these gardens a medicine garden. So this is an area named Kandy, Sri Lanka. So after then I'm gonna show you other video. Look, this plant name Tron apple, Dretha, metal, Sri Lankan. They come from Philippines. They say Sri Lanka, India, Philippines. And this you can see other one. They bring from China and Africa, India, Sri Lanka. These three, Ipoma. So all three got nameplate. They, and this is our security guard gentleman nicely. Now you can see on every plant they got a nameplate, where they come from and what's the name. This come from India, Sri Lanka, Greece, and they found in Greece, Egypt, Asia. You can see everywhere just different lot of type of plant, and they all plant using in a medicine. So that's why they say medicine garden. You can see these plant found in Europe, Venezuela. So they mention it which country they found it. So look. You can see sunbox tree. They say don't stay with this tree. If his water go in your eye, you go blind. So look, they giving warning. Latex of this tree cause blindness. Unique thing, this is a double coconut. You can see this double coconut, and its size is very big, and also these are ready in 8 year. It take time to 8 year to ready, when you know that you can eat, you can use, but it take very long time, say 8 year. You can see double coconut, very big size, look bigger than, and weight roughly I think so on the moment nearly 10 kg. You can see these are the male, some male and some female. Female got fruit but male got flower, because my father from agriculture. You can see double coconut. Okay, nice thing. In my backside you can see baboon tree. Look how strong everywhere, and you can see how big they, very tall. You can see in my backside. So now I'm gonna show you. You can see the bridge, hanging bridge. Now you can see hanging bridge. Now this is a river. You can see downstairs is a river. This is Sri Lanka Kandy. Beautiful city, very nice and green and not very hot. You can see baboon tree.